For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Disneyland Resort. For your enjoyment tonight, Disneyland will be open until midnight. California Adventure will be open until 9 p.m. and the trams will be in service all day long until 1 a.m. Thank you. Driver, you're clear. Alright, everybody, we are approaching our one and only stop. Please remain seated with the doors closed till the tram makes a full stop, and I have indicated that it's safe to exit to the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only. Thank you. Alright, everybody, please gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step. Exit on the left-hand side, re-enter the tram, exit on the left. Re-enter the tram, re-enter the tram. Exit the door again, re-enter the tram. Exit on the left-hand side. Thank you.
I know, I was gonna wear my ears. I know, that's my ears.
Honestly, yeah, when he gave it to me and I saw him, like, I appreciated it. I appreciated it. But, yeah, I still have him. It's not like I threw it away. I threw him away.
closed as this train's getting ready to depart. Driver, you're clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is
Hey,
moving.
if you compare it
And
to the
supervise your
iPhone
children.
video, it's a lot
Para
better.
su seguridad, favor de permanecer
Or is it about the
sentados
same?
con las puertas
It's about the
cerradas,
same. It's about the same.
At least you're on to something.
pies, piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía
It really looks good.
4K.
a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you're clear. As we approach our destination, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full and complete stop. You'll be exiting to the driver's right-hand side, and that's the driver's right-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full and complete stop, exiting to the driver's right. All right, go ahead, folks, blow your head, and please watch your step.
Can we go swimming? We have to wait till like when Grandma's not feeling tired. Can we go swimming?
Have a nice day.